Welcome to Let's Talk Money, where we build better habits, stronger families, and lasting legacies. Today, we are talking about something very real, very relevant managing money as a parent. And yes, our last episode we spoke about it, and today I'm gonna just go into it a little more, giving some more tips and tricks. Because let's be honest, budgeting on your own is one thing, but budgeting with children is a completely different responsibility. You are not just managing bills, you are feeding a family, raising children, and trying to secure a better future at the same time. Many parents feel like having children slows down their financial progress. I'm taking a pause. Think of that. Many parents feels like having children slows down their financial progress. But the truth is, it is not about how much you earn. It is about how you manage what you have. And small, intentional decisions at home can make a powerful difference over time. Let us get practical, guys. Here are some budgeting tips you can start implementing immediately. Purchase in bulk. Think of it. Items like rice, flour, tissue, cleaning supplies, mm, oil. Certain things that you know you use very often are often cheaper when you buy it in large quantity than buying a small item every time or one. Buying local fruits and vegetables, shopping from a local vendor. I would even say shopping directly from your local farmer can help you. So that way, you go to the direct source, you spend less, you eat fresher foods, and you support a local economy. So if you have someone in your community, someone, your neighbor, that plant produce and they do sell, you can go to them and say, hey, when you have whatever fruits or vegetables available, let me know and I can purchase them instead of going to the supermarket or going to the market to buy it. You can just get it there and you would get more for your money. Plan your meals. Guys, meal prepping, it works. Meal planning helps reduce food waste, last minute spending, daily stress. When you plan, you spend with purpose because then now you're going to spend to purchase only what you plan to buy. So, meal prepping. Saving money is not always about earning more. It is about making better decisions with what you already have. Reduce unnecessary spending, be mindful of impulsive purchases, stay consistent with small savings. Even small amounts saved weekly, monthly, can build into something meaningful over time. Start where you are. No matter how small it is, start where you are. This is where many parents miss a powerful opportunity, guys. Teaching our children about money. Your children should not only benefit from money, they should understand it. Give them small responsibilities, such as reading daily, helping around the house, completing school tasks, then reward them with a small allowance. But do not stop there. Teach them what to do with the money. Show them how to save, how to spend. For persons that tithe and do their offerings, you show them how to do that too. Show them how to invest the money to get more on their returns. Teach them. Even with small amounts, children can learn budgeting. You can use simple methods like jars or envelopes and label it for them. Saving, spending, giving. From an early age, you can teach children how to care for others and give to help those that are in need. This helps them understand money management, build discipline, develop confidence in handling money, These are lessons that will stay with them for life. They start young and it's embedded. Generational wealth is not only about large amounts of money, it is about habits, discipline, structure, consistency. What you do today as a parent shapes how your children will manage money tomorrow. Even if you are starting small, you are still building something meaningful. Having children does not mean your financial journey stops. No, you can still build your savings, start a side income, improve your financial habits, invest gradually. As a matter of fact, having children allow you to pay attention to your finances so that you can improve your financial habits. The key is to remain intentional and consistent. If there is one thing I want you to take away from today, it is you do not have to do everything at once. Start small, stay consistent, be intentional, and involve your children in the process because you are not just raising children, you are raising future decision makers. And this is how generational wealth truly begins. Thank you for joining me on Let's Talk Money today. See you. Bye.